You will love the features of this 2020 Ram 2500. With less than 20,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Take the big jobs in stride in the Ram 2500. Its blend of heavy-duty capability, passenger comfort, and connected technology will see you through. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, keyless entry, navigation system, backup camera, premium sound system, heated mirrors, power passenger seat, fog lamps, four-wheel drive, keyless start. Comfortable and convenient on the inside, tough as nails on the outside. The Ram 2500.